What's up, guys? Tim Alston with DragBoss Garage. What you're looking at right there is a 1969 Boss 429 Mustang on the showroom floor. Here it is 54 years later. This is my favorite Boss 429 Mustang. Royal maroon. Although black is, can't beat that. I always wanted to sit in one and see what it's like. This has 27,000 miles on it. Beautiful. Andrea, we're going to have one like this, only to be black. Won't be original, but no one's going to know. Damn. Here, can I shut the door?
Yeah. That car got painted black new.
What's that, Rick?
It got painted black right after it was delivered, and it got a camera put in it, and it ran B-gas.
Really?
Yes.
There's some history right there, guys.
We put the camera into a Mustang with Dyno's special tunnel port.
Yep, I remember seeing it.
The car was just bad fast. We went in the motor, put crane cams in it. It didn't go any faster. Don Nicholson told me, he says, you need to get GKs for it. We got GKs for it, and it took off like a rocket.
General Kinetics.
Yeah, GK, General Kinetics, yeah.
Harold Brookshire.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. You know him?
Yeah, sure, because he's the one that's involved with the bullet cams.
Okay.
That's him.
Okay. Yes, yes.
He's the brains
all their
right
cam grinds or their profiles went to bullet.
Yeah, but Don told us, you get this certain GK number, magic. Took off like a rocket.
Damn. So listen, so I'm going to take that cam that you saw, you'll see a picture of it, and I'm bringing it back. I'm going to send it to Steve Morris because he needs to copy it. So I'm telling you, you're learning something, you're always learning something new at DBG, whether it's in the garage or on the road. Awesome. So yeah, so you know how to turn that off and make a picture?
Yeah.
So Rick's telling me that this was a factory black car.
No, it was a factory maroon car.
Maroon car.
It was bought to be a drag race car. It scattered an engine at 168 miles on it.
Wow.
The engine came out. It got painted black with a 427 camera in it.
Okay.
And it ran B-gas. And then we put it back together and we built it kind of like a car out of warranty with L60 tire on the back, 430 gear.
Okay.
Eliminated the medallions on the quarters.
Yep.
Went with the Dominator intake, the Sandcast carburetor, the NASCAR plug wires, and made it a great car to go get pizza in.
Nice.
Yeah.
I love how they did the shock towers, how they had to reverse them.
Mm-hmm. It'd be nice if all Mustangs were done that way.
Oh, wouldn't it be? Yeah. I had to cut my shock towers back.
And it's a shame to do that, but
that's the only thing I hate about their front suspension, you know? Now look, I'm gonna show you guys the pictures of this car off the showroom floor. So let me get that set up. So what I'm gonna show you is some pictures from that Boss 429, that maroon. These are from the actual day it was picked up.
At the Ford dealer.
At the Ford dealer, in what year?
1969 January Ford.
Look at that. This is not the same camera, but the one that Bob and Rick are talking about is sitting in my buddy's garage. Paul, you know I got to come and check that out and get some pictures. I should have bought it when I had the chance. It was only $10,000.